Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to explore the brown color. Here are few animals which are brown in color. Brown deer, brown camel, brown bear, brown horse, brown monkey, brown goat, brown cow. Now it's time for you to collect some brown objects and share the picture of those objects. Let's learn how to make the brown color. Okay, Azhan, put some green color in the plate. Very good. Okay, Amna, put some red color in the plate. Enough. Thank you. That's great. Okay, Bakir, mix them. Green and red. Mix both colors. Yes, green and red. Yes, which color is it now? Brown. When we have mixed red and